look at this. We're gonna get a little char on this.
Woo!
Look at this.
So we are here in the private airport waiting for the plane to get in. We are headed to Miami for Art Basel. Art Basel is a big fair they have like once a year in December where it's like all like, it's like the kind of like the World Series or Olympics of art. So there's all the top graffiti artists. We always have one of the biggest parties, so a lot of stress, a lot of pressure, but we hold it down and we gon' kill it.
Don't be stressed, baby. I'm here for you.
Look at the airport. They got snacks over there. Wow, free coffee.
Do you want some?
Yeah, it's just like a small terminal, no security. So you don't have to like put all your liquids in like one bag or the other.
I was so excited when I was packing today, and I was like, oh, I can actually take makeup in my suitcase and my carry-on.
Everything is easier about it.
Café?
Cafecito. Cafecito. Say goodbye to this cold weather.
Finally. Bye, Neon.
We are here, about to get on the jet. We going home.
Can't wait to get to the warm weather. We just finished this mural, as you saw in the last vlog. So we are here. I'll give you a little tour. Me and Alexa's favorite spots, usually Disick, is either in the back by the table or these seats. These seats are nice because they fold into like one bed, which is kind of nice for a long trip. Even though we're taking a short trip, so we'll probably sit by the table so we can eat and relax and just chill. So this is me and Alexa's favorite spot to chill on the plane. We got the table where we sit, we have lunch.
Blanket.
Alexa gets her blankie. Aw, you want your blankie?
Where did you go to sleep?
This is the private jet kitchen where they cook up a couple things. This is a G4SP that we chartered through JetSmarter. The SP means it's a long-range jet, so you could go to Europe, and even though we don't really like to fly these type of planes to Europe.
Scary.
I don't own a jet yet, but hopefully one day, goals, we gonna get a jet. We're taking this from Teterboro, New Jersey to Miami. Me and Alexa, we out of here.
Bye.
No, we're not saying bye. We're gonna show them the whole jet ride. We rolling. We got vegan food for you today.
Yes, and for you too.
So you don't mind if I have a boys' night out, do you? That's an of course not, like...
Why would
like
you want to have a boys' night? I could too.
It's a nice boys' night out. We're gonna have fun tonight. Just me and the boys. What do you think about that? What's your reaction to that?
You're full of
Are you scared?
That freaks me out a little bit, yeah.
She's scared. Come on, Alexa, let's go. I want Papi steak.
I thought you were vegan.
We are in MIA, Miami. How refreshing is it coming from the freezing cold, Alexa?
Oh,
and now, this heat, humidity.
My skin can finally breathe.
Yeah, like I actually like the humidity. Some people complain about it. I love it. Works wonders for your skin. Do I need a little? I think Where are we going tonight?
Papi steak.
Steakhouse. Papi! Papi! Wow!
Look at this!
Reunited at last,
Wow, Papi, back. Coming
yes.
for the real thing.
Oh, forget about it. I just came from New York.
Oh,
Papi.
look at this.
Papi, New York was weird without you. I'm not gonna say.
I know.
What are you doing here? What's going on here?
We're gonna come back soon.
He's an international celebrity now with Papi Steak. Last time you YouTubers saw Papi was in a room like similar to this. He was nervous. He was scared if it was gonna be a big success. Now the restaurant, you can't even get a table. What celebrities have been there? Drake.
J-Lo.
Whoa.
Alec, Mike Tyson.
Whoa, now we're talking.
Maluma, Zuna.
Manat Potato.
Manat Potato. We got a new dish. I'm very excited about it. I can't wait to show you all.
Oh, I heard about this. Okay, we'll see you
ready.
soon.
Stay tuned. Pulling up strong.
His name is on the wall, people.
Manap is in town.
Let's go.
Alexa on a Sunday night. It'll be popping. Popping. All right, let's get a menu going.
Papi, where's the Manat Potato?
Right
Oh, there it is.
This place is packed.
What is the best-selling item on your menu?
Okay, so obviously the Wagyu pastrami is the hottest dish on the menu. It's never been done. Never been a Wagyu pastrami. I'm from New York. I love pastrami. We brought it to Miami. It's the hottest dish ever.
Yo, it's got a crazy presentation. I've been seeing it on Instagram, so I'm excited for it to come our way tonight.
Delicious.
And I'm gonna go vegan after this meal. I'll be vegan tomorrow.
I don't know about that. Wow, look at this. Menage a trois. You know what this got? Got yellowfin tuna, uni, and caviar. Wow.
Oh
look
my
at this.
God.
Look what just comes out, just like that.
The best steak ever.
Oh, we're getting one of those, Papi.
Wow.
It's been so long. Are you gonna bring it to them?
Yeah. Should we
Let's
bring
go.
it?
Yeah.
Let's go. We're delivering a Papi steak. Look at this. Wow.
Yeah, you in the vlog.
Yo.
Papi.
Here we got a schnitzel, a hot schnitzel coming out. Look at this. That is a special oak wood grill going on over there. That's where we grill the Wagyu pastrami and the world famous Papi steak.
Wow, that's where the goods are for the Manat Potato.
Papi steak, caviar.
So that's what goes on the Manat Potato.
Yeah.
That's a lot of caviar for a man who loves caviar.
Papi's coming through. Look at this.
Oh, you talk dirty to me, Papi. This is the VIP experience, guys. This is years of friendship in the making to get this kind of treatment.
Look at this. We're gonna get a little char on this.
Woo!
Yes. Oh. Get a little secret sauce. This is the best steak in the world.
It really is.
I love it more and more.
No, guys, I'm not lying. This is literally the best steak in the world. You know me, I've eaten a lot of steaks. I've had a lot of Japanese Wagyu in Japan.
We've been around the world.
Korean beef in Korea, and
nothing like the Papi steak with the secret
no,
sauce on it.
that's why Papi is famous. So you're seeing it being made, and then you're gonna see the look on my face when I eat Papi steak as well.
Oh,
it's priceless.
It never gets old. Never gets old.
What up, Wardy? Look who's here!
Wow.
Wardy! The three amigos are united.
Reunited, and it feels
so good! Wow. What a room, Papi. It's beautiful.
They sent us 2 bottles of Christmas.
Oh, we popping off, Papi!
Reunited!
Reunited, it feels so good.
Papi steak, Manat potato. There we go.
Yeah.
For Sofia.
You want steak, Alexa?
No, not today.
Oh.
Look at this. Cheesecake. Snickers.
Bring one of those over here. Wow.
Caramel glazed pineapple.
Oh, we are living. Double orders of desserts. Papi! Alexa is a pro photographer. Papi steak! Yanni, did you like Papi steak? Yanni loves Papi steak.
Another night.
Yes.
Love it.
Thank you for tuning into my vlog. Click subscribe.
Swipe up.
And like the video.
Swipe up.
Like the video. We have a big event coming up here at Papi Steak. More news coming soon.
Big event.
Art Basel, we
Stay
coming.
tuned.